everyone and welcome back to Joyce Queen. In today's video, I will show you how to make a powerful DIY hairspray using just 4 simple ingredients: cloves, rosemary, hibiscus flower and water. This spray helps to grow your hair, reduces breakage and keep your scalp healthy. And the best part, you can use it on natural hair, relaxed hair and dreadlocks. Let's begin. Cloves contain vitamin K, natural oil, antioxidants. They help improve blood flow to the scalp, which encourages hair growth and strengthens the roots. Rosemary is full of iron, calcium, and vitamin B6. It helps prevent dandruff, reduces hair thinning, and may even help with early graying. Hibiscus flower, popularly known as Zoro leaves in Nigeria where I stay, is rich in vitamin C, amino acid, and natural alpha hydroxyl acid. It promotes thicker hair, prevents split ends, and adds shine to the hair. Water is the base that draws out all the good nutrients from the herbs and delivers them into your hair and scalp. So let's get into the preparation step. I added some cloves, rosemary leaves, and dry hibiscus flower into a clean jar. Then I poured in enough clean water to cover the herbs completely. I covered the jar tightly and kept it in a cool place for 24 hours. This process is called infusion. It helps water absorb all the nutrients from the herbs without boiling. Here is it after 24 hours. If you noticed, the color of the mixture changed. This is how it looks like after the infusion. A sieve to strain out the herbs. Then I pour the herbal water into a clean spray bottle. And now our hairspray is ready. I'm also going to be showing you how I use it. I sprayed it directly on my scalp and hair, focusing on the roots and dry areas. Then I gently massage it with my finger. After spraying, I applied my leave-in conditioner to soften the hair. and I sealed in the moisture with my DIY hair growth oil to help retain length and shine. I massage my hair very well. It's very important. Yes, you can give it a good massage for like 2 minutes. It makes it to sitting in your hair. It's very important to massage your hair. So don't skip that part of massaging. Massage very well. You can use this way daily or 2 to 3 times a week. This DIY spray is perfect for all hair types, whether your hair is natural, relaxed, or in dreadlocks. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Joyce Queen. And make sure you hit the notification button so you will not miss out. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.